Are you okay?
Yes,
Yes,
we are
we are
totally
okay.
okay.
What is the reason to sit here?
We are sitting
We
here
are
for
sitting
doing
here
English
for doing
practice.
practice.
English way. Is it your everyday story?
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is
is
our
our
everyday
everyday
story.
story.
What kind of the practice do you do?
We do English
We do
conversation
English
practice.
conversation practice.
So are you able to understand properly?
Yes,
Yes,
we are
we
totally
are totally
understand properly.
understand.
How many languages do you know how to speak?
Normally,
Normally, I
I
know two
know
languages.
two language.
You know two languages. So are you comfortable to speak in Hindi or in your native language of the as like a Hindi?
Yes,
Where
I completely free in Hindi.
completely.
In Hindi. Because of the English comparison of the English, you are very
Yes.
comfortable in.
Yes.
So in your house, if I consider about your house, so which language do you mostly use in your house? Do you use by the asking, by the speaking? Yeah.
I
In my
use
house,
mostly language
I mostly
in
use
English
English
because my father
because my
always
father always speaking
asks
English.
in English.
In English. When your father start to discussing, start to connect with you in English, so do you reply in the same language?
Yes,
Yes,
sometime I
sometime
reply,
I
but
reply same
sometime I
language.
forgot. I reply in English.
Oh, because I think if you keep on make the consistency, you keep on practicing as like this in the same language, as like your father wants to ask to discuss in the same language. When you start to reply in the same language, so one day you will get a great command. So nowadays, how are you feeling during the summer season is going on, and it's very, you can say, very hot days is going on. So how are you feeling nowadays?
Nowadays, I'm
I'm
feeling
feeling
like
good.
just like very hot.
Yes.
It might be fan is on or off. Same I feel.
Oh, so which weather do you love?
I
I
love
love summer season.
not the cold, not the hot. Just like rainy season.
Rainy season. Oh, so do you go to the park during the summer season?
Yes, I used to go to the
Yes,
park
I used to
in
go to the park.
So how many times do you go to the park in a month?
I
I go to the park.
I
Uh,
I go to the park every year in summer,
Yes.
3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times in a month.
Yes.
Oh, so do you know how to swim?
Yes,
I
I
know
know how to
to
swim.
swim.
So can you swim in a pond, yeah, in a river?
Yes.
Yes, I
I swim in
I
a
like
pond and river.
to swim in a pool.
Okay, so at the moment I am just asking in Hindi, and then after you have to reply. I will ask as like a little of the making the story, and you have to explain very well.
Okay.
इन इस गर्मी की सीजन में मैं अपना प्लान कहीं वाटर पार्क में जाने का बना रहा हूँ.
In this
In
summer
this summer
holiday,
season,
I'm making
I'm
the
making a plan
to visit somewhere
visit somewhere
for swimming.
फॉर स्विम इन ए स्विमिंग पार्क. ओह वेरी गुड. क्योंकि कल जब मैं स्कूल में पढ़ रहा था तो मेरा दोस्त मुझसे बात कर रहा था.
Because
yesterday
when I was
when I was
studying,
my friend
one of the friend was talking with me.
टॉकिंग टू मी. क्या तुम्हारा दोस्त तुम्हारे साथ जाने के लिए तैयार है?
Yes,
Is your friend is your friend
your
is ready
friend
to
is
go
ready
with
to
you?
go with you?
क्या तुम्हारा फ्रेंड कहीं घूमने का प्लान बना चुका है?
Has your friend made any plan to go somewhere?
क्या तुम हर सीजन हर साल कहीं समर वेकेशन में घूमने के लिए जाते हो?
Do you go every year in visit for a summer
फॉर समर वेकेशन.
vacation?
क्योंकि आजकल हमारी स्कूल में एक कैंपेन चल रहा है.
Because nowadays our school announced a campaign.
वन कैंप, एक कैंपेन. सो क्या तुम उसमें जाने के लिए राजी हो, एग्री हो?
So are you ready
Are you
to
ready to
go
go there?
in the camping?
कितने बच्चे सहमत हैं घूमने के लिए?
How many students are ready to go?
क्योंकि मैं बहुत जगह घूम चुका हूँ.
because
Because
I have I have visited where
I
lot
have
of
I have visited many places.
places.
तुम हर साल कहाँ कहाँ घूमना पसंद करते हो?
You,
Where?
where you like where do you like
where
to
do you
walk
like to
every
go?
year?
एवरी ईयर। मैं, मेरे पापा जहाँ मुझे बताते हैं मैं जाने के लिए हमेशा तैयार होता हूँ।
Where my father suggested me to visit, where I go.
Yeah.
डोंट वरी,
Okay.
क्योंकि मैं सुबह जल्दी उठने में आलस से महसूस करता हूँ।
Because
Because
I feel some of the alas
लेजीनेस।
when I get up early
when
in the
I get
morning.
up in the morning.
सुबह उठना मेरे लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है।
Get up early in the
Getting up.
morning is difficult for me.
Difficult for me.
पर मेरे पापा बड़ा जल्दी उठ जाते हैं
But my father gets up early
gets up early
और हमें भी सजेशन देते हैं।
and give us
and give us
suggestion also.
suggestion also.
मैं खेलने में अच्छा हूँ।
I'm good
I'm good
in
in
games.
games.
कल जब मैं मेरे दोस्तों के साथ स्कूल में हाफ छुट्टी के टाइम जब ग्राउंड में खेल रहा था,
Yesterday when I was playing with
my
some of the
friends
friends
in
in ground.
एट द स्कूल इन ए ग्राउंड, एक मेरा दोस्त मेरे को धक्का देके गिराने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
One of my
One of
friend tried
friend
to
tried to
fall me
fall
by
me by
pushing
the
me.
push.
बाय पुशिंग में, लेकिन हमारे सर वहीं पर खड़े थे।
But our teacher
was
were
stand
standing there.
बस टर्निंग दे। पापा जैसा आप पूछते हैं मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही।
Father, as you ask,
You are asking.
you are asking me. I have no hesitation.
आई हैव नो हेजिटेशन, आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि हम समझ रहे हैं कि हम सीखने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Because we are understanding that we are ready to
we are
learn.
ready to
Okay, I have already asked many of the questions in a Hindi or English, in a English to English. So you are looking so little of the comfortable and reply very easily. But I would like to suggest you first listen carefully and without any hesitation, because if you are just making the mistake, doesn't matter. It is the first step. It is the part of the learner. But you should not afraid. How can we be a effortlessly? So you keep on trying to explaining and keep on making the balance in your life, so you can explain very easily. Thank you. Keep on watching.